Hello friends, today we will discuss about data warehouse schema. Basically three types of schema: star schema, snowflake schema, fact constellation schema, and galaxy schema, which is also called galaxy schema. We will discuss star schema. What is star schema? A star schema is the elementary form of a dimensional model in which data are organized into fact and dimension. The star schema is the explicit data warehouse schema. The center of schema consists of large fact table and the point of the star are the dimensional table. What is fact table? A table in a star schema in which contain fact and connected to the dimensional. A fact table has two types of columns. Those first is include fact and another include origin key to the dimensional table. What is dimensional table? Dimensional tables are usually small in size than the fact table. Dimensional attribute help to define the dimensional value. For example, here you can see that a dimensional table and dimensional attribute are given. Dimensional table generally contains descriptive and textual value. For examples, in this example we understand that there is a sales fact table, time key, item key, branch key, location key, dollars sold and unit sold. You can see that each dimensional has only one dimensional table, and each table holds a set of attributes. For example, time dimension key, time has the one dimensional table, time dimensional table, and item has item dimensional table, branch dimensional table, and the location key, location dimension has location dimensional table. Thus it is the example for the star schema. Then we will discuss about the characteristic of a schema. Characteristic of star schema: one fact table and the multiple dimensional table. There is, you can see that one fact table and multiple dimensional table, each dimensional represented by one dimensional table. Each dimension यानी कि जो फैक्ट टेबल के अंदर डायमेंशन होते हैं, जैसे कि टाइम की, आइटम की, उनको डिफरेंट यानी कि इच प्रत्येक डायमेंशन को एक डायमेंशन टेबल में दर्शाया गया है, दिखाया गया है इनको, जैसे कि टाइम डायमेंशनल, आइटम डायमेंशनल टेबल, ब्रांच डायमेंशन टेबल. Dimensional table are not normalized in star schema. Dimensional table normalized नहीं है. Each dimensional table is joined to a key in fact table. और प्रत्येक each dimensional table is joined to a key in fact table के अंदर. Thus this is the overall point of view of star schema. In next lecture we will discuss about remaining schemas. Thank you.